That the cloud idea would apply to public sector is much.
Absolutely, and the main thing I start with is like a definition of cloud, right? Because to some people it means the big wide public cloud. It means adopting for my user inside, say, the federal government, something that is available to me as a consumer at home, and that sounds crazy, right? So that's not what we mean in the public sector. But if you look at it and you say the cloud is really a dynamically managed variable capacity data center that could be distributed, could be all over the place. You know, there's a tremendous amount of opportunity for everyone to take advantage of that, but you have quite a bit of architecting and defining to do. That's a big, broad concept. So, for instance, if it helps people clarify this, we would typically say most of the interest is in private cloud. What does that mean? Well, it could be in the federal government, there could be several departments or agencies that are physically in the same areas, or they have similar missions, or for whatever reasons they choose to get together and create a shared dynamic infrastructure. But it's private in the sense that you have to be, just like you know, your firewalls and things that protect you today would be in operation, because they're very, very concerned, of course, about managing the security. That same organization might say, you know what, there's some non-secure things I want to go ahead and put out on a public cloud where I can just leverage a commercially available data center. Like, how about all the data I put out on the website? I want people to see that. Why couldn't I use a public cloud, lowest cost operation for that? So you have to go beyond the cloud statement to what am I talking about? Is it public? Is it private? How is it orchestrated? And you know, Dell's job is to have a capability to help them with any of those alternatives that make sense.